to Stay True TV. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're in the hometown of Whyalla. Now my wife and I have been talking, we want to spend a bit more time together. So what we've decided to do is make a game. Have you ever seen geocaching? So geocaching is a worldwide treasure hunt where treasures have been planted all around the world for people like you to go and find. If you haven't seen it, go and check it out on YouTube because it is awesome fun. Our game has a bit of a twist to it. We've got these cards that we've had made up with the Stay True TV. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this card somewhere and locate it in a secret spot. We're going to video the whole travels as we go through. You guys need to watch the video. Throughout the video somewhere there's going to be a keyword. That keyword needs to be recorded if you find this card. Follow us through the video, we'll take you to the location. There, in that location, the card will be hidden somewhere around that area. Also on the card, it'll tell you how you go about claiming the prize. All the details are jotted down on the back of the card. We'll be in Adelaide very soon, so keep an eye out for that video coming up. Let's get this viral. Like, subscribe, share for future geocaches coming your way Australia-wide. For those of you that are on the channel strictly for the geocaching, we have set it out that the notifications for the geocaches will come up strictly with the geocache emblem. So if that's all you're interested in on the channel, that's what's going to come up. Makes it easy for you guys. If it's anything else, just pass it on by. You don't need that. If you have a great location you'd like to see Stay True TV coming your way, don't forget, post in the comments below your location and you could be seeing us coming to you. So right now, we're going to go set this geocache out for $50 somewhere in Whyalla. Let's go. Going bush. Let the games begin. card has been located somewhere in the vicinity. You've seen the travels we've done and the views we've experienced. Now we've got the card in place. So if you guys want to win money, come out, find it, follow the instructions on the card, and you've got yourself a win. Alright guys, we've had a lot of fun doing this geocache. If you want to see more, you're going to have to help us out and like, subscribe and share us around. As you see, we're going to be doing a lot more of these, giving you a bit of a view of the countryside or wherever the location is where we are, and then make a bit of a game of it. If you're the lucky person in the location that gets the notification, that money's yours. Alright guys, keep safe. Catch you later.
Ciao for now.